We all need money to retire comfortably, which can either come from expanding your income sources like a side hustle or passive income from investments. Let me share my top 10 side hustles for 2022 that you can explore and may help you achieve your financial goals in life. Hi, my name is Sunny and I make content that affect a common man financially. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to it alongside smashing that like button as that will help me with the YouTube algorithm, which of course will be highly appreciated. For most people, their main occupation usually brings in the most amount of income. So try to explore options where just by getting new skill sets or taking small courses, etc., you can improve your main income. This is where your core strength lies. Therefore, just by putting in that extra effort, mostly it is much easier to make some extra money. As the name suggests, Fiverr, which means you can get any stuff on this website for a minimum $5 without any upper dollar limit. On this online marketplace, many professional services available are logo design, WordPress, voiceover, data entry, etc. Basically, it is the world of freelance talent at your fingertips that fits every budget, offers quality work at short notice where payments are protected, and even comes with 24/7 support. This enables you to monetize any skill that you may have as long as there are buyers for it. As a side hustle, YouTube has immense promise in the long term where content, consistency, and audience matters the most. Rest everything is secondary. I know some people whose life it has changed in a better way, hence I plan to stay on for long term, which can be a bumpy ride, but I think should be very rewarding eventually. So put in your head down, do whatever you have to do. It is a matter of time and you will see the results, and believe me, you will be blown away with it. Silicon Valley has brought in new ideas with app-based modern technology into the age-old business of taxis. With simple requirements, you too can get into the driver's seat and get paid as an owner-operator for the modern day taxi service. Simply sign on to the Uber app. When approved, you can start working part-time on full-time. Being a service industry, your customer feedback has a direct bearing on your income, whereas your personal car can be used as an Uber vehicle, of course, subject to certain conditions. The end user downloads this Uber app, sign up for a ride, so when they need one, the information is passed on to the nearest Uber driver where the service is required. You can try other app based taxi services where Lyft can be another option. Rather than leaving your money in a checking account, put that in a different account within the same bank where a high interest saving account or a bank CD can be your options. But remember to shop around as often different banks gives you different rates. I know you cannot expect to be rich overnight, but the idea is to get at least some return on your money as you get close to nothing right now. Always read the fine print before you decide on investing. Try to educate yourself as this can be your first small step towards financial independence. People who are little more financially and stock savvy, investing in dividend paying stocks can be a very good option, which is worth considering. Now, what is a dividend? When you own a stock, it means you own a part of that company. When it makes money, it shares those profits among shareholders proportionately. This proportionate share of profits that you get from the company is called a dividend. As an example, if you had AT&T stock at $27.44 a share, it would have given you a dividend yield income of 7.58%. There are many good dividend paying stocks available out there. This is the appreciation in your capital which can come from assets you're holding like stocks, real estate, etc. As an example, if you buy a stock for $20 and you sell it for $30 a share, you have made a profit of $10 a share which you have to report to the taxman as a capital gain. Similar is the case for real estate profits too. This capital gain can be long or short term depending upon how long you have owned that stock, thus are taxed differently. This is also called as passive income. It is always a good idea to have a small part-time business on the side while you are working on your main job. Since it is a business, so Taxman allows you to write off expenses related to it, which it is being taxed at a much lower rate than your personal income. There are tons of online businesses that one can have which can be scaled up depending upon your ability, where YouTube can be one of them. There are tons of online as well as physical commission based businesses which you can explore in your free time. It has a little bit of flexibility without sacrificing your main job that can help you make some extra money on the side. Mostly these don't require any education. The only thing they want is a guy who can hustle and close the deal, as you will only be paid if there is a sale, so your hard work and effort is appropriately rewarded. Selling life insurance or other types of marketing falls into this category. I think this is one of the easiest side hustles you can ever find. All you need is an empty space and you can use Airbnb platform to advertise to your local potential clients. A clean and decent place is often everybody's looking for, and if you have it, maybe you can make some extra money renting that space. Hope you get the idea. If you like the content that I make, please help me and my channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.